Kung hindi nila kaya, sila yon. Don't let their story be your ending. Minsan, hindi natin maiwasan na isipin ang sasabihin ng iba. Gusto nila, sundin natin ang traditional way kung paano kumita ng pera. Pangangamuhan. Kasi sa paningin nila, yun ang right way. But is it really the only option? Look, karamihan naman ng nagtatrabaho sa mga company na pinapasukan nila, masisipag. And they are doing it kasi may mga pangarap sila. However, relying on just one source of income makes owning a house or saving money feeling like a distant goal. Sa dami ng expenses araw-araw, parang imposibleng makuha ang mga pangarap. Ano ang solusyon? Side hustle. With this simple approach, you can earn extra income without needing to quit your regular job. Isisingit mo lang siya. Instead of worrying about society's expectations, why not start your own journey? Kung hindi nila kaya, sila yon. Don't let their story be your ending. Imagine the possibilities of having multiple income streams. This can help you achieve your dreams while meeting your financial responsibilities. Follow for more.